Hello, my friends. Listen to me. If you are running a small business, or if you are self-employed and staring down the barrel of retirement, thinking, Susie, I haven't saved enough, and the clock is ticking, I need you to pause what you are doing right now and look at me. Open your ears and really hear what I am about to tell you, because your financial freedom depends on it. Every single day, I talk to small business owners who are in their 50s and 60s. You have worked your fingers to the bone building your dream, pouring every extra penny back into your company. But you have committed a major financial sin. You put your business before your own future. Now, you are getting closer to retirement age, and you look at your personal bank account, and fear strikes your heart. You are asking yourself, how am I going to survive? How can I catch up when a traditional 401k is too expensive, too complicated, and fills my life with endless administrative nightmares and legal paperwork? You feel trapped. You think your only options are to establish an expensive corporate plan that drains your profits, or do nothing at all and just pray things work out. No, no, no. Hope is not a financial plan. Let me introduce you to a tool that is an absolute hidden gem for people exactly like you. It is called a SIMPLE IRA. It stands for Savings Incentive Match Plan for Employees. And I want you to understand exactly how this works, because it could be the ultimate vehicle to save your retirement, slash your tax bill, and give you the peace of mind you deserve. A SIMPLE IRA is specifically designed for small businesses with 100 or fewer employees. It is the perfect marriage between a traditional IRA and a corporate 401k, but without the high costs and the technical stress. If you tried to set up a regular 401k for your small business, you would be drowning in compliance testing, annual Form 5500 filings, and hundreds or even thousands of dollars in administrator fees. A SIMPLE IRA throws all of that out the window. It is cheap to set up, easy to maintain, and has massive power to supercharge your savings quickly. Now, let's talk about the money, because I know that is what you are questioning. Susie, how much can I actually put away to save my future? Listen closely, because the IRS rules for 2026 have given you a magnificent opportunity to catch up. For the 2026 tax year, the standard employee contribution limit is $17,000. But wait, remember who we are targeting right now. If you are age 50 or older, you get a beautiful gift called a catch-up contribution. For most people 50 and up, you can add an extra $4,000, bringing your total standard employee contribution limit to $21,000. But it gets even better. If you are in that sweet spot of life, age 60, 61, 62, or 63, the Secure 2.0 Act has created a special super catch-up just for you. In 2026, if you are in that specific age bracket, your catch-up contribution jumps to $5,250. That means you can defer a whopping $22,250 of your salary straight into this account, entirely tax-deferred. And if your business is very small, meaning you have 25 or fewer employees, the numbers get even juicier because the baseline limit is automatically higher. For those micro businesses, the baseline contribution is $18,100. If you add the standard age 50 catch-up to that, you are looking at $21,950. And if you are age 60 to 63 in a business with 25 or fewer employees, your total contribution limit caps out at an incredible $23,350. Look at those numbers. That is serious money you can shield from Uncle Sam while building your own nest egg. But here is the catch, and you know Susie always gives you the straight truth. If you adopt a SIMPLE IRA for your business, you are legally required to make a contribution as the employer. You cannot just set it up for yourself and leave your workers in the cold. You have two choices here, and you must pick one every year. Your first option is a dollar-for-dollar match of up to 3% of whatever your employees contribute from their salary. If an employee decides not to participate and puts in zero, you owe them zero. Your second option is a 2% non-elective contribution. This means whether your employees save a dime or not, you must contribute a flat 2% of their salary into their account, up to a compensation cap of $360,000 for 2026. Now, I want you to look at the math if you are a solo entrepreneur or a husband and wife business with no outside employees. This is where the Simple IRA turns into an absolute goldmine. Because you are both the employee and the employer, you get to stack these benefits. You can contribute your full salary deferral of $17,000 or up to $22,250 if you are over 60, and then, as the employer, you can write a check from your business account to match your own contribution by another 3% of your net earnings. It is a double tax deduction. You deduct it on your personal taxes as a retirement contribution, and your business deducts the match as a business expense. That is how you legally and smartly beat the system. I want you to think about the fear that has been keeping you awake at night. The fear of outliving your money. The fear that you missed the boat because you are already 55 or 62. A simple IRA is your lifesaver. If you put away $22,000 a year for the next 7 to 10 years, and you invest it wisely in solid, low-cost index funds, you are looking at building a substantial safety net in a very short period of time. You are shifting money away from the tax collector and putting it directly into your future freedom. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? If you are a small business owner or a sole proprietor nearing retirement and you do not have a retirement plan established, I want you to call your financial institution, whether it's Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, and ask them to send you the paperwork for a simple IRA. It takes about 10 minutes to fill out Form 5304 Simple or 5305 Simple. You must set it up before October 1st of the year you want the plan to take effect. Do not wait until December. Do not wait until you file your taxes next year. The deadline matters. You have spent your entire life taking care of your customers, taking care of your business, and taking care of everyone else. Now, it is time to take care of you. Stand in your truth, look at your numbers, and take control of your financial destiny. Open a simple IRA, maximize those 2026 catch-up limits, and secure the safe, secure retirement that you have rightfully earned. You can do this.